SoFi switcheroo. How many accounts can you actually hold? Ever feel like you're juggling a million financial accounts? Checkings, savings, IRAs, that vintage coin collection fund you haven't touched since 2012. The list goes on. But with SoFi, a one-stop finance shop, things might be different. So, can you ditch the juggling act and consolidate everything under SoFi's roof? Let's untangle this. The allure of one-stop shopping. We all lead busy lives. Wouldn't it be nice to have our finances streamlined? Imagine one login for checking, savings, investing, and maybe even a loan, all under one roof. SoFi aims to be that financial haven. But there's a catch, and that's what this video is all about. SoFi's checking and savings account, a match made in fintech heaven? SoFi's checking and savings account is a popular option. It offers competitive interest rates, fee-free ATM withdrawals, and mobile banking convenience. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the thing, SoFi currently allows only one checking and savings account per member. That means you can choose either an individual account or a joint account, but not both. But wait, there's more. SoFi doesn't stop at checking and savings. They offer a vast array of financial products, including Invest, for stocks and ETFs, SoFi Money, for automated investing, and even loans for students, mortgages, and personal needs. The good news? You can absolutely hold multiple accounts across these different SoFi products. SoFi Strategy Session, Designing Your Financial Ecosystem. So, how do you leverage SoFi's offerings while keeping your finances organized? Here are some ideas. The all-in-one approach, with limits if most of your banking needs are met with a checking and savings account, SoFi can be a great fit. Pair it with SoFi Invest for your investment goals, and you've got a solid financial foundation. Remember, you'll need to manage your budget within this single checking and savings account. Compartmentalization is key. Let's say you want a dedicated emergency fund account. SoFi allows you to open multiple SoFi Money accounts, their automated investing platform. Use one SoFi Money account for your emergency fund and another for long-term investing goals. This keeps everything separate and helps with visualization. SoFi for some, traditional for others. Maybe SoFi's checking and savings features don't quite fit your needs. No worries. There's no rule saying you can't have a traditional bank account alongside your SoFi Invest account. Use SoFi for investing and your regular bank for everyday banking needs. The bottom line, SoFi is versatile, but not a one-size-fits-all solution. SoFi offers a fantastic array of financial tools, but it's important to understand their account limitations. You can't have multiple checking and savings accounts, but you can leverage SoFi's other products to create a well-rounded financial ecosystem. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.